Spoken section. OpenAI just claimed the enterprise coding crown while Agentic AI moves from sandbox to production. And it's reshaping how the world's largest IT services firms hire and upskill. I'm your host on Architect Ledger TV. Here's what every IT professional needs to know. Let's go. Gartner names OpenAI leader in enterprise coding agents. OpenAI landed a leader spot in Gartner's 2026 Magic Quadrant for enterprise AI coding agents. Codex earned recognition for both innovation and real-world deployment scale across large organizations. This validates what enterprise architects have quietly known. Code generation is no longer experimental. It's table stakes. If you're evaluating coding tools, pull the full Gartner report and benchmark Codex against your current CI/CD pipeline. For architects, code generation tools reduce time to production and cut P1 defect rates. Treat it as core infrastructure, not an optional add-on. Agentic AI shifts from chat to execution. Agentic AI has moved past conversational demos into genuine enterprise automation. Jensen Huang featured OpenClaw in his GTC Summit keynote this March. A signal that autonomous agents now coordinate across complex workflows, not just answer questions. The enterprise execution era demands AI that orchestrates systems end-to-end. Start exploring agent frameworks like LangChain or AutoGPT on your internal test data. Architect lesson. Agents require governance layers, audit trails, and clear failure modes. Design your agent infrastructure with rollback and human-in-the-loop checkpoints from day one. Pentagon evaluates alternatives to Claude in military ops. The Department of Defense is testing rival AI models to potentially replace Anthropic's Claude in classified military workflows. This signals either cost pressure or security policy shifts. Or both. It doesn't weaken Claude's position in commercial IT, but it flags that government contracts aren't permanently locked. Monitor this space for procurement signals affecting your own government-facing contracts. Takeaway. Assume zero vendor lock-in on critical workloads. Architect multi-model evaluation paths and design abstractions that let you swap inference providers without rewiring your pipeline. Virgin Atlantic ships faster with OpenAI's Codex. Virgin Atlantic deployed Codex to accelerate its mobile app rebuild against a hard holiday deadline. Result: near total unit test coverage and zero P1 production defects. This is real-world proof that code generation cuts both velocity and quality debt simultaneously. Examine Virgin Atlantic's case study for their test-first workflow. How they integrated Codex into their CI/CD without sacrificing coverage standards. For your team, code generation isn't a shortcut. It's a multiplier on disciplined engineering. Pair it with automated testing frameworks to compound the wins. TCS lands TPG capital for AI data center play. TCS secured major strategic investment from TPG to scale Hypervault, its proprietary AI data center platform. This move signals TCS betting heavily on infrastructure as a service for generative workloads. A play to compete directly with hyperscalers on latency-sensitive AI inference. Hypervault targets sovereign and regulated data residency requirements where AWS and Azure can't easily operate. If you're managing regulated AI workloads in India or emerging markets, keep Hypervault on your evaluation list. Architects. TCS is positioning itself as the compliant GPU provider for regions with strict data localization rules. Size your infrastructure strategy accordingly. Startups make Claude Code their default coding tool. Early-stage teams are adopting Claude Code as their primary development instrument. It's competing directly with Codex by offering deeper context windows and superior reasoning on complex refactoring tasks. Claude's 200K token context window lets it reason across entire codebases. Startups are using it for both greenfield development and legacy system modernization. Run a 2-week internal trial pairing Claude Code with your codebase. Measure cycle time and defect escape rates. Takeaway. Claude's reasoning depth matters more for architectural decisions than raw speed. Use it for design reviews, not just boilerplate generation. TCS pauses Wings upskilling amid AI-first transformation. TCS has deferred portions of Wings, its internal employee upskilling program, as it pivots to an AI-first workforce model. This isn't a cost cut. It's a strategic reset. The message: res-killing for AI tooling and agent-based work takes precedence over traditional technical certification tracks. This mirrors what Accenture and Infosys are also doing quietly. If you manage internal talent development, audit your training budget allocations now. Are you still investing in legacy skill paths? Or are you pivoting to prompt engineering, agent design, and AI-native architecture? The market is signaling that traditional IT upskilling ROI is collapsing fast. TCS freezes wings promotion criteria amid workforce reset. TCS has frozen promotion assessments tied to its wings program, a structural acknowledgement that traditional career ladders no longer measure what the market values. Promotions will now reflect AI fluency, agentic system design, and cross-functional automation impact, not legacy certification completion. This is the clearest corporate signal yet that AI proficiency is now a promotion gate. If you're leading engineers or architects, audit your own promotion rubrics. Are they still weighted toward credential collection, or do they reward autonomous agent design, LLM integration patterns, and infrastructure for AI thinking? Rewrite them now before your competitors hire your best people. Take the Gartner Magic Quadrant deep dive on their site. 40 minutes, free with registration. It benchmarks Codex, Claude Code, and 6 others across enterprise deployment metrics directly relevant to your architecture roadmap. Do it this week. Thanks for staying sharp with Architect Ledger TV. Subscribe for next week's full landscape update. Here's the question. Is your promotion rubric rewarding AI fluency? Or are you still grading on legacy credentials? Hit reply. End spoken section.